Need a reason to celebrate Windows 10 update is still available for free. So let's get started. My name is Nikhil and you're watching Technique. So in this video, I will gonna tell you about the Windows 10 update is still available for free. So stay tuned, sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end. The free Windows 10 upgrade offer was supposed to be available only till 31 December, but it seems one can still download it for free. Microsoft seems to be giving its users a reason to call the start of the year a happy one. The company is reportedly allowing its users to upgrade from Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 and to Windows 10 for free. While the promo offer was supposed to end on 31 December, the Redmi company seems to have come up with something else. The offer for the system with accessibility features apparently allow the free upgrade to Windows 10 without the customer selling out a penny for it. This is definitely a good news for the users, but also exposes a loophole in the system. As the accessibility feature was not checked, any Windows 7 and 8.1 users was allowed to complete the upgrade to Windows 10 without any cost. The company has reportedly said if you use assistive technologies, you can upgrade to Windows 10 at no cost as Microsoft continues our efforts to improve the Windows 10 experience for people who use this technology. Please take advantage of this offer before it expires on December 31, 2017. The upgrade is still available and Gax has apparently written that using the loophole is indeed beneficial as it allows for a free install for Windows 10. It also possible that Microsoft will block upgrades soon, and this means that the user will have some more time to switch to Windows 10 without paying any extra cost. So that is for the video guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are to this channel first time and press the bell icon to get notification of my latest video. Till that, sit back, relax, and never forget you are awesome.